morning, how the devil are you? Well, excellent, me too, thank you very much for asking. Thought I would start today's vlog off in the car, mainly because I've got something that's been running around in my head for a while now, and I wanted to chat to you guys about it. And you have probably come across this yourself on numerous occasions. It is the wonderful world of the course sellers on social media, offering you the world, a magic pill to your business woes. The one true fix that they, and only they, know about. And you can buy it right now for just £1,997.99. That's right, I'm giving you £20,000 worth of stuff for just £1,997.99. I am sick to the back teeth of seeing these people popping up in my feeds when, honestly, these people probably don't know shit. And all they're going to preach to you is stuff that you can learn online for free. And that's my biggest bugbear, is that they're trying to teach you something that you can go online and you can learn for nothing. Absolutely zilch. They may have one or two insights in there that might be groundbreaking or really resonate with you specifically. But are they worth £2,000? I severely doubt it. And I'm probably going to upset a lot of these people who would do these courses by putting out this video right now. But I cannot stand to see people getting ripped off. And they prey on the vulnerable and the weak and those who are, for want of a better way of putting it, uneducated. You're not uneducated because you bought one of these courses. It's just you've thought that maybe there is a solution to a problem that they can help you with, and then they do chuff all to actually help you with that problem. All they try and do is basically get you to pay that £2,000 and then feed you into another funnel where they'll make even more money out of you. And that's just not the way to do it. I don't understand why there's so many of them. Literally every pre-roll advert on a video on YouTube is another expert at investing or an expert at starting up a social media business, and also sat outside in their swimming pool preaching to you about how you should be creating videos and how they know the perfect way for you to create videos. And bollocks, absolute bullshit. The only way for you to do most of this stuff is to get out there and start actually doing it. Stop paying £2,000 courses, spend 40 hours going through Google, going through YouTube, watching videos, reading documents and blogs and stuff like that, which will cost you nothing and probably take as long as it would do to do the £2,000 course, and you will learn everything that you need to know and probably then some, because the fact of the matter is that £2,000 course, like I say, is just another funnel for getting you into the next stage, and then the next stage, and then the next stage. It is fine if you get to a certain stage in your career where you can actually spend that kind of money, but when you're starting out in business, the chances are you don't have £2,000 regularly at hand to just drop at a whim on a Facebook advertising course. Do you know what you'd be better off doing with that £2,000? Paying somebody who already knows to spend £2,000 on advertising for you so that you can get your content and your product out there in the first place, rather than learning how to do it for £2,000, because they're not going to teach you how to do it for £2,000, and there's already a pro out there who knows how to do it, and it won't cost you £2,000 because Facebook is cheap. Just sick of it. Absolutely sick of it. Every single pre-roll, every single bloody advert that you see. And I'd love to start reeling off some names, but that would be very, very unprofessional. But there are so many of them. You will have seen them popping up over and over and over again. The only way for you to learn how to do this stuff is just to get out there and start learning. If you want to really learn how to do it, offer your time for free and go work with somebody who does Facebook advertising and just say, look, you know what, this is what I want to learn. I really want to learn it from my products, but it'd be great to work with you, learn how to do it, and I'll work with you for free, and it'd be great to learn. I'm not saying every single course out there is the same. I'm not saying every single course is out there to con you. But what I am saying is a majority of the ones that pop up in your feeds will be, come and join my free webinar, which isn't really a webinar because it's not live. So you go and watch their free webinar, and then their free webinar leads you into their basic product, which is possibly affordable, more than likely not, and then that model leads you into the next stage and the next stage and the next stage until they get you right down to the very end where you're paying them an absolute small fortune every single year. You are better off just getting out there and learning how to do it. Spend the next week, maybe 2 weeks, learning how to do the things you want to do by searching them out on Google and reading up about them. All that content is out there for free. How do you think people learn how to do things like Facebook advertising? How do you think I learn how to do stuff like video, and actually how to run a YouTube channel and how to run a Facebook group and page and all those kind of things? How do you think I learn? How do you think other people learn? They don't just suddenly magically end up with this information. They just go out there and read it. So you need to start doing the same thing if that's what you want to do. Or, like I say, rather than spending the £1,997.99 that you would spend on a course with somebody, spend it with someone who actually already knows this shit, and get your adverts done for you for a lot less than £1,997.99, I can assure you. Because you won't need to spend a vast amount of money on your advertising. Because Facebook is undervalued real estate, you could probably get away with hundreds of pounds rather than thousands of pounds. So hopefully you got a bit of value out of this, and I've got it off my chest. Not quite as much as I would like to, because frankly I would like to F and Jeff and call people out, but I ain't gonna do that. So I will, I'll see you in a moment. I'm on my way to the gym in Newbury. So then this is part of our daily routine at the moment, the daily walk to try and get this thing to start moving a little bit, because so far no movement at all. Any movement?
Only my gas, babe.
Only her gas, and boy oh boy do we not need more movement of that stuff. So every night out for a walk, try and make this damn thing make an appearance at some point.